Alright, after a lot of work getting the old screen out, the new screen does indeed work. All the segments work. Exponent 8, 8. Negative exponent 8, 8. All the segments work. It's reverse Polish notation, so 2 put on the stack, 6 plus, get 8. It's funny seeing it do signs. Let's give it some weird number. And we do a sign. It really thinks hard about it. Especially inverse signs. Yeah. It's funny, we're so used to it being instant on modern calculators. What mode are we even in here? I have to double check which one's radians and which one's degrees. I think that's... yeah. Anyway, I had to brush up on my Russian calculator abbreviations, but finally, the Electronica Mk-52 is working.